Hello friends, my name is Umesh Kale and name of my video channel is Value Addition. We are bringing various interesting videos to add your value in the manufacturing segment processes. So in that relation we have brought today important quality 7 sheet quality rule, that is check sheet. So in this video we are covering definition of the check sheet, its application. Then we are conducting one exercise, how to prepare the check sheet and how we can present it in the form of histogram. So definition of the check sheet. So it is structured method of graphical representation of the data. It can be the attribute data, it can be used for the defect analysis of the problem, or it can be used as a analysis and presentation of the data of the variable data, dimension measurement data. So in this way it is very important and basic quality tools. So please stay tuned to the end of the video. This video will definitely enhance your skill in the manufacturing to understand what is the process, how it can be presented, and what is meant by the bell-shaped process, what is meant by the skew process. So it will discuss in the later videos, but to understand basic requirement of the process, this video is very important. So we'll start the video. Initially we are sharing some slides to understand the subject. So first slide is regarding the observation. So we have collected different 50 observations of any measurement. This is variable data. So you can consider it is the dimension of the outside diameter of the shaft, or it is any outside dimension of the fabricated part. You can say anything. So this is random data. The minimum value is 5.01 and maximum value is 5.91. So within this minimum and maximum value, different observations are there. So further we'll move to the frequency distribution. So one chart we have made, you can see in the slide. So this is frequency distribution chart. First column is regarding the class interval, second regarding the frequency, and third one is total observations derived from the frequency. So class interval, we have made the different classes. So in last slide we have seen that our observations are ranging from the 5.01 to 5.91. So we have made the different class intervals, and first class interval is 5.01 to 5.1, second one is 5.11 to 5.2, third one is 5.21 to 5.3, fourth one is 5.31 to 5.4. So by this method we have made an interval up to the last 5.91 to 6. So if you find how much are the observation in the first class interval, so there are the 2 observations. So by preparing this kind of lines, we can present our data. So if we have the 2 observation in the 5.01 to 5.1, so you have to draw the 2 lines in this way. And then in the second class interval 5.11 to 5.2, there are 3 observations. So 3 lines we have to draw here in this next column. Then in the third class interval there are the 5 observations, that is 5.21 to 5.3, there are 5 observations. So by this way you can draw the line, the 4 lines, vertical line and 1 cross line. So cross line is indication that you have completed the 5 observations. So per calculating, if you have more observation, you will be able to calculate easily how much are the observations. So frequency, in the frequency column we have plotted the lines in this way. In the next column we have added the total, means how much observations are there from each class interval. So in plus class interval 5.01 to 5.1 there are 2 observations, 5.11 to 5.2 class interval there are 3 observations, and 5.21 to 5.3 there are 5 observations. By this way we are calculate the total observations. Then we can present this data in the form of histogram. So on x-axis we have taken the scale of our class interval, that is 5.01 to 5.1 first class interval, 5.11 to 5.2 second, 5.21 to 5.3 third class interval, and on y-axis we have plotted the numbers, how much observations are there against this number. So 5.01 to 5.1, we have seen the last slide, there are 2 observations. 5.11 to 5.2, there are 3 observations. So in another video we will cover how to prepare the histogram, so we will be able to understand how to prepare the histogram. Important of the histogram, it presents the data whether your process is bell shaped or it is more dispersed, or it is centered or not centered, or it is bimodal. So this is basically bimodal, means there are 2 modes, means this process there is 2 different setting in this process or any assignable cause in the process, so it is that's why it is bimodal. So we'll cover in another video what are the different type of processes. We are also releasing the video on YouTube, then Facebook, then Instagram, LinkedIn, and again for more communication I am sharing my email ID with this in this video. So right now we are closing the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video, share the video. So thank you to join my video. Thank you very much.